Alright. Is that the skin, no?
Mm-hmm, I like it.
Yes, sir. I'm gonna try to compare this here. This tastes like in Mexico they have a chip called chicharron. It's kind of like, it's almost like pork skin.
Oh.
It's got the same vibe. It's really good. Cook down time I know. Yes, sir. So hearing Ratty and his grandmother argue about what to wear, what to put on, it just reminds me of when I was his age with my grandmother. Like, yeah, I mean, we grow to love them, but like when you're young, as a boy, you don't know the guidance. We're not really too take it in. You feel like them as a control you and thing, but you know, yeah, it reminds me of her. She passed away around them time last year on my aunt's birthday, which is coming up pretty soon, so yeah. Come on, Rat.
Go drive.
Yeah, drive, go on. Both him a good drive. Yo, if you can guess what Rat real name is, drop it in the comments. You have some time to try to figure it out. Alright, so me and Rat used to go drive out, get something to drink, cause you don't know you eat the food. Want something to drink, don't Ratty?
Yeah, man.
That's April. Alright, we park up on the rain catchway. So you say if you walk a church road, would I reach faster?
Yeah.
So I make you drive then?
No, you say you're gonna drive.
Yeah, but you never want to come, so me things I kind of want to walk. See it there? You never want to walk. You lie. You know, as I sit here and wait in the rain, I kind of realize like how privileged like a lot of us are and we even know. I mean, not saying that we should never always want to strive for more, you know, but coming here and seeing how persons who live in the countryside, how they are so humble. Again, not everybody's the same, but the general characteristic is that, you know, persons are just appreciative of stuff and they're a lot more hospitable than people in Kingston, you know. It's just really eye-opening, you know, because long and short of this is that, you know, wherever you are in life right now, it's good to kind of remember the bad places that you might have been and to look at where you are now and be like, yo, I have achieved more than what I had 10 years ago. Not saying that you shouldn't still feel a little bit bad, that, you know, you're not doing better off, because that feeling is what propels you. That's what makes you want to do even better. So I never say that you should try to just settle and be like, yeah, I'm so calm and great because persons in other parts of the world not having certain stuff. Not saying that. But sometimes when you look back at certain things, you can say, yo, you can take a little bit of comfort and not over stress. Because there are times when I'm in Kingston, I just over stress about stuff, you know, the simplest of stuff might bother me. You get me? But just coming into situations like this, you know, around nature, around good natured people, it's a vibe. Yes, me I run rat. Hey! Wow! You feel like we are running out on a river. You feel like we are running a river. Oh! This man have him homemade torch. Why not curse him?
If we not run, it will not harder.
So why you put inside there if you stop it up? Yeah.
This man said if we not run.
Eh? Piece of paper. Okay.
This man said if we not run, we not go cool down.
You know, this phone very smart.
Alright guys, so dinner is served. The only thing I would be missing would be vegetables, but I'm most interested in having the rice and peas, because like when you find somebody who can make the rice and peas really good, yo, that's a classic. Chicken is normally chicken to me, but I'm gonna try everything. To me it's a lot of rice and peas. If I'm able to finish this off, then you know that it's really good. So let's see what happened. I not too long ago had a bun and cheese and a milk, so my stomach is already full. But once food is good, you will finish everything. So let's see. Wow. I've never had rice and peas like this before. The rice and peas feel, it just mellow. Like, it's a melt in your mouth, kind of buttery good, but then the rice still holds that firmness. You get me? It's not soggy rice, it's not that shelly, it's not that clammy. It's really good. Oh my gosh, yeah. This is different. When I say different, I mean good different. Wow. Alright, let's try chicken. Trying a chicken. Disclaimer, chicken breast is not my thing. I don't like chicken breast in general. But me as a person, you know, when people cook for me, I'll just eat whatever, it don't matter. Yeah, the thing about chicken breast that I don't like, if it's overdone, yeah. So I'm getting that from it, but the flavor is good. If it was like, what do you call it, like the thigh or the leg, then definitely yeah. But again, disclaimer, I don't like chicken breast. So. Crime scene. Hey, I'm telling you the artists are take me now. Hold on the Ratty. Tell you the artists are take me right now. The rice was really good. I think the rice for me, rice and peas was the thing that set up the dish completely. Again, chicken breast is not my thing. It tends to be more of a, you know, it's very trashy and a drier meat. But what I do notice with hospitality wise is that persons tend to give you a lot, you know, because they want you to be full. And the chicken breast is generally the part of the chicken that has the most meat. So I'm guessing that that's where that's coming from, you know, to give me chicken breast, and everybody else use the parts that are smaller. So with that, you know, enough respect. If I was supposed to grade it, I would say a 7 out of 10. Easy me. The other meals, of course, were 9 out of 10 straight up. Really good. This one was good too, but again, there's no why. But I'm gonna help Ratty with this game. Football. You got that one right? Yeah. So Ratty go play this game a little bit, and then maybe we'll try watch a movie or something. Maybe from my phone, I think. So anyway, guys, remember to see things, love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep the link. A. T. H
H
L
L
E T I C S.
Oh! Win.
So Mokko say, cause you know me still, I'm honest. Like if you ask something like me not go withhold. So Mokko say ask me, yo, how was the food? So I say the food good. Some of the team say, you know, say the only thing say I don't eat breast. And the same thing I say to you guys that Mokko say breast are the part where him love. But you see with and the wing. But you see with hospitality, when you come and people place them and give you the part what them love. Because you understand them I try to be hospitable, so that happened. Because him love the breast. But he gave me that. So again it just shows you, it just goes to show that the heart of the people and the heart of the people them good. And Ratty is going to pester me again. So me really gone now.